Hello and welcome to Your Community, the show where we interview the most interesting citizens in your community. Today, we'll be talking about the sufferers of Lloyd-Webberitis, a condition which causes its victims to sing involuntarily at high significant points of emotion. To learn a bit more about this condition, we have a doctor. Doctor?
Yeah, you covered it.
I should know. I myself have been diagnosed with it. Now, I know what you're thinking, ladies and gentlemen. After 163 episodes of Your Community, how has this never come up? Why have I never sung the intro? Well, believe me, I have. And there are many beautiful blooper reels out there. But now, since it's relevant, I think it's time that we stop considering it as a blooper. Because that's really a party pooper. Would you throw the referee out? Would you grab that megaphone, let him shout? There's a song raging in my soul. There's no way that I can control. It's like a fire. There's a dance tapping in my feet, and it just makes me feel completely witty in your community. Da 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 da. How would you feel if you were an ice cream without a cone? How would you feel if you were a dial without a phone? Would it be decent? Would it be sublime? Would it be like a clown being friends with a mime? There's a verse so deep in my heart, so deep it makes me start to sing so loudly. There's a melody in my head, it'll be there until I'm dead, dead as a dragonfly. My, oh my, oh my. Don't call me crazy, don't call me a loon, just call me Gerald and let my music take you to the moon. To the moon. There's a song going on in your community. There's a dance round and round. It can set you free. Da 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 da. There's a tune in my heart. Listen, beat beat beat. There's a verse, so come on and sing with me. Yes. So make sure to catch next week's episode of Your Community. I think it's time that we saw some outtakes. I can hear the bells. Well, don't you hear 'em chime?
So, that's a drum kit, and there are no bells here. What are you talking about?
And then add 1 cup of flour to your dough.
Doe, a deer, a female deer, Ray, a drop of golden star. Come alive, go and ride your light, let it burn so bright. On your TV I come to you every Wednesday night. The host of Your Community is here, and I'm a delight.